What's up, guys? Okay, guys, we're on the road here. This is gonna be a great trip. There's a car. Let me review this car real quick. The car we're in, it's a Buick. There's a kid. Okay, guys, we're passing a truck.
It's the first car we've passed.
Yeah. Oh God. Jason, we're okay. You got any dip? Okay, guys, we have made it to our destination. There we are. That's where we're heading to. Our rented house is that green thing right there. There's our house right there. We're going to explore the place that we're at. So yeah. Okay, guys. For some reason, my Uber driver's taking me outside of where we're supposed to go. My Uber driver, I don't think he's actually an Uber driver. I just kind of got in his car. I'm hoping that I can survive this. Oh my God, guys, we're going under the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh, I never thought it was this nice. Oh, there's the other Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, wow. Oh, welcome to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. State. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. Oh.
KFC Yum Center.
Oh, yeah, let's go to the KFC Yum Center. That's where Louisville basketball plays. Scandal. Oh, yeah. Well, thanks for watching this Golden Gate Bridge walkthrough tutorial. Thank you guys. Yeah. Oh, we're coming up to the toll. We'll get a video of that when we get up there. Hey guys, I got demoted to the back seat. This kid got car sick. Oh, there's another kid right there. We're taking our great trip. We're almost there. I think we're 2 minutes away. So.
Florida license plate.
Oh yeah, look out the window right there. Oh. Go. Yo guys, what's going on? We're coming into downtown Detroit. It's my city. Where I live. Okay, guys, yeah, that's it. Look at the Golden Gate Bridge. Look at it. We're going over it. This thing's insane.
How many laps?
We're living in the swamps of Alabama here. We're going over the Golden Gate Bridge of Alabama. Look, we're going up. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, guys, we're coming up on downtown Birmingham. Okay. We're going in the highway in Alabama. There's trees. Whoa, what is that? What is that? Whoa, it's a, whoa, wait, oh, whoa. Hey guys, we're here in Alabama. Got me some dip and we just it's a good fucking live. We're passing the Montgomery Coca-Cola. Oh, crazy. We're going over the Golden Gate Bridge. Here we are over the Golden Gate Bridge right there. Hey guys, we're crossing the ocean. We're going from America to England. We're on this bridge gonna cross the ocean.
Showers at Ram Ranch.
Look at the sunset over there. This is crazy. Look at the Golden Gate Bridge. We've gone over this bridge 3 times today already.
That's a really pretty sunset.
I'm pretty sure it's been at least 6 times. 6 times maybe. Shout out to Ram Ranch.
Ram Ranch.
Check it out, best song
Everybody
ever.
be quiet. We need to Grammy winning. We need to make sure to listen to it.
It rocks. Cowboys love
Ram Ranch.
Robert Cox.
I feel like this guy just does like way too much math and writes this.
That's a good song, Ram Ranch. It's on Spotify and Apple Music. Check it out. Oh, what's up, guys? The ocean. It's here. Oh, God. It's big water. Subscribe. Donate.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Z Food review. Today, we got our room review. Paid $300 for this room. It's real nice, really nice. We got 5 kids in here. Yeah, we got there's a bathroom. It's real nice.
Trying to take a bubble bath.
Let's go out this door for a nice view here. Got a really nice view out here. Oh yeah. Oh.
Dude, you look dead.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the breakfast review. We got this jelly donut. It's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yo, guys, what's going on? We're here in Florida. Can I get my hat back, please? And dinner is coming up. We're eating, and yeah.
God damn it.
Here we go.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're here. Okay, thanks. Here with my bros.
Hey, bro.
These 2 bros are on a date right here.
Is that wrong?
Aiden, be quiet. Bro. Okay, bros.
She bro.
Put it down. Put it down.
Let me take yours and walk.
Okay. Be gentle.
That's what she said.
Harder. Harder. I want you to slam my head into the couch.
Do it. Do it, baby.
Harder.
That's animal cruelty. Do they cook them up and eat them?
Yes.
So exciting, guys. Make sure you guys donate to our Patreon and GoFundMe. Thanks. Yo, what's going on, guys? Coming to do some laundry. I'm just coming in the laundry room here. The door seems to be locked. Why is... Oh, what's going on in here?
Is this going on the vlog?
Oh, where'd Chuck
My
go?
name spelled. Chuck's not in here.
What? I thought Chuck was in here.
Looking for my N.
Okay, have fun here, you guys. Good times here on the Z Food Review Spring Break Tour. Make sure to donate to our Patreon and GoFundMe, okay? Oh, hey guys, welcome back to Z Food Review vlog.
The hair, dude.
We got
Get on the
Aiden's
sides.
rubbing in some aloe on Austin's back.
Sides.
This man's sunburned everywhere.
Oh,
Aiden's just doing Aiden things.
Oh, yeah.
Does anyone have a lighter?
Mm. This kid's playing Minecraft Hunger
yeah.
Games.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm playing Minecraft 1 in the
Oh,
chamber.
Minecraft 1 in the chamber, my bad.
Fucked. Oh, your boy.
Hey,
just
sir,
got
can we get a quick
rage.
interview with you about your experience with Aiden?
Yeah.
How'd Aiden do out there?
It's pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna kill this energy skin with my energy.
Oh, he's grabbing my tit. Oh, he's a black belt.
Sit down. Oh my god.
Oh, the kid.
These kids are naked wrestlers.
She'll sleep now.
This kid's literally naked.
I've got you. I've got you.
I'm pretty sure you don't got me if you're underneath.
Oh, this is
I fell inside of his mouth.
Oh, it's so thick. Oh, this is coming on Pornhub.
Stop. Not your feet.
what do you guys planning to?
Until he taps out.
I threw a boogie bomb. You
Oh, okay. What the fuck?
Why are you taking a video?
Oh, round 2. Aiden rubbing aloe on Austin's butt.
Smack me.
Oh, what is
I gotta rub it in.
Oh.
No! You gotta rub it in, no smacking.
Yeah, no smack. He's definitely not gonna
Going right
smack.
to Josie.
Rub it in. Rub it in, you whore.
He's definitely not gonna smack you, Austin.
Why don't you smack me like some drums, Aiden?
Aiden, you gonna rub it in?
No, with the false if it's stuck.
Oh, I'm gonna get glued to the bed.
Just sit on Aiden, and then you'll get stuck to him.
Come here, Aiden. Rub it in. Oh, let me, I'll just get it all over inside.
Don't do that.
Alright, last chance to rub it in before I roll around
Before he goes back. You don't want it all over your bed, dude. Get out of my bed.
Aiden, I can rub it in.
I'm just sleeping.
Oh, this kid's coming to rub it in.
No, you saw my back.
No,
You better not.
I'll actually rub it in.
You better not.
Yeah. Oh. There's
Just
so
going
much.
up
Why is there so much on there?
Aiden put so
You
much.
put way too much on there, Aiden.
Yeah, Aiden, you idiot.
It's gonna get all over the bed regardless now.
Yeah,
'cause
like,
you put
get
way
on the
too
sides,
much.
get
Yeah,
on the
I know.
sides.
You're gonna have to spread it to the front.
Oh.
yeah.
It's not burnt there. It's not burnt
Hey,
there.
blow on.
Oh.
Let's just get just audio of this.
Oh,
yeah.
This
Dad's
is.
about to walk in.
Like, hey boys, what's going on?
I'll scruff it.
Anything I can do right
There's so much aloe. Jesus.
Might have to mute this part of the Z4 review. Put some music in it. Put some
We have to
dubstep in the
we have to
background.
blur Zach out.
I'm putting dubstep in the background.
Oh. It's so
What are you gonna title this? Final Four last.
No, this is just straight up. This is all going into one video. Welcome back to the Z4 review vlog, boys. We're here at this place.
White Man Paradise.
Yes, me.
Fat.
Where at doesn't trigger the current location thing.
We're walking down this way. There's some kids.
Back scratch.
Oh, it does.
Oh, they still. But I'm reviewing this place. It's pretty nice. A lot of lights. Kind of looks like a state fair type of thing.
They have
A little
gelato.
nicer though.
Frozen yogurt.
Make sure to donate to our Patreon and GoFundMe. It's really hype.
That's my idea.
Yo, what's up, guys? We got these vlog, these photo strips. It's pretty good. What is up, guys? We're driving. We're driving home. We're just now starting spring break.
Yeah, we're just now driving to Florida.
Here we go. It's gonna be a crazy vacation we're going on here. It's Hurricane Katrina here. I really hope it hits before like we can get out of town, so like we can be in the hurricane. But yeah, we'll have some more updates. Okay, guys, we're going over.
Anything but this song.
We're going over the Golden Gate Bridge here, but this is the ocean. And check this out. We're playing Cake by the Ocean, and Aiden's eating cake. Oh my god. We're gonna get stuck on traffic on the bridge. Oh, look at the traffic up there. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Oh, we're already in traffic and we're not even out of Florida yet. Oh, cake by the ocean. By the ocean. And Aiden's eating cake. Oh, we're trapped. What's going on, guys? We're back on the Golden Gate Bridge of Alabama. And we're going over the thing. here it is. We're about to come over the crest. You're gonna see such a fantastic architecture of a bridge right over here. Oh, you can't see because it's raining, but we're gonna film it anyway. Oh, baby, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice bridge. Okay, guys, make sure to donate to our Patreon and GoFundMe and our PayPal link. Yeah. Yo, what's going on, guys? We're here on the highway. It's 8:59 p.m., almost 9 o'clock. It's 37 degrees. We're in Kentucky.
Like 80 miles out from
80 miles out from Louisville in Kentucky, 9 p.m. We got like 3 hours, 15 minutes left. We're gonna have to make another stop, so it's probably like more like 3 hours and 30 minutes left. I wanna die. Make sure to donate. If this vid gets 10 likes, please. Thanks. Yo, what's going up, guys? Literally the same intro every clip. You should probably just die at this point because you hear it every time. We're going over the Golden Gate Bridge of Louisville. Oh, there's flashing lights. Oh, it's crazy. Wow. We just got tagged for a toll and now we're going over the Golden Gate Bridge. It's crazy. Aiden, can you tell me how you feel about the bridge?
Red, white, and blue over there.
Oh, yeah?
Red, white, and blue. Right there.
Wow, okay. Thank you for that very sophisticated interview.
Yeah.
With that, we're just going to drive off a cliff. Okay.
Cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch. Big herd throbbing cocks wanted to be sucked. 18 naked cowboys wanted to be fucked. Cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch on their knees wanting to suck cowboy cocks. Ram Ranch really rocks. 18 more wild cowboys out in the yard. Big bulging cocks ever